So,
I seen you dancing.
ah.
Ooh, crazy. Want a bite? Okay.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Not that big, though.
Too bad you have to eat it.
No, wait. You like that?
Oh, I feel like pooping. Take it. Girl, don't you dare. I can't believe you just did that.
You're gonna eat off our hairy spoon.
Ew. Get back! She bit my head off, Justine.
Well, that's not creepy at all.
She kissed me, man.
Ew, the spider was in there. You have to return.
Do the hair flip, everybody. Ow, my neck.
I think I just gave myself whiplash. Some ice cream?
Ice cream. I just peed my pants.
Tastes
I'm
like
kidding.
ice cream.
You want to know why we were laughing earlier?
Yeah.
I bumped my
Oh, you gotta see the video. I'll show you.